In this video, we will explain how to use the recording features on Valley Fiber TV. If you would like to record the program that you are watching live, you can press the record button at the bottom of your remote or press OK and navigate to the record option on the right. If you are starting from the guide, navigate to the program that you would like to record. Press the OK button, navigate to record, and press the OK button once again. You will now see up to 5 options for recording. Go to Record Episode to record the program that you have selected. If you would like to record a series rather than a specific episode, go to the Record Series option. From the program menu, if you select Manage Recordings, you will have a few options for your recordings. First off, you may cancel the recordings of a specific episode or cancel the series recording entirely. At the bottom of your recording options, you have 3 categories to further refine your recordings of this series. The first refinement allows you to select if you'd like the program to record on all channels or just the channel that you've selected it records on. The next option allows you to decide if you would like all episodes to record or only new episodes. The last option allows you to decide how many episodes of the series you would like to keep on your DVR before it deletes older episodes. Keep in mind, you only have 50 hours of space to save recordings with. So here I'm going to select 5. Now when you've made the refinements you like, go to Update Series Recording Options to save your changes. To access your recordings, go to the Features menu and scroll down to Recordings. From here, you can see your recorded programs, recorded series, and your scheduled recordings. Navigate to the recording you would like to play and press the OK button. As you can see, we have 1 episode recorded, so hit the OK button to play. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Valley Fiber TV recording. And if there's more that you would like to learn, please check out our other tutorials on YouTube or in the Valley Fiber TV VOD section.